Welcome to the Shrimpy newsletter, a place for staying up to date on the latest trends, news, and events in the cryptocurrency industry. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor has made another dauntless decision by planning to sell $1 billion worth of stock to add more Bitcoin to the company's holdings. The announcement comes shortly after completing a $500 million bond sale, which will be used to invest in cryptocurrency. The software firm's Bitcoin treasury is so large at this point that they have named Bitcoin a key part of its strategy in filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. After the latest investment, MicroStrategy's total crypto holdings will be brought to $5 billion. The Industrial and Commerce Bank of China has introduced direct cash to digital yuan conversions to more than 3,000 ATMs all over Beijing. The state-owned bank is the first to dabble in China's new CBDC by launching such a feature. With improved access to digital currencies, China is one step closer to turning CBDCs mainstream. Leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchange BitMEX has hired Mark Robinson, a former JP Morgan executive director, as its new head of custody. According to BitMEX, the recent appointment is part of the exchange's strategy to venture beyond derivatives. Per an announcement, Robinson has 20 years of experience in the TradFi market and has mostly worked in Asian markets. Most recently, Robinson has worked for SBI Holdings, but he also held a reputable role at JP Morgan as the company's executive director for high-frequency trading products for the Asian market. With the new arrival, BitMEX is bullish on expanding into new areas such as spot trading, brokerage, and crypto custody. A survey held by the UK's leading financial regulatory FCA estimates that a total of 2.3 million British citizens own cryptocurrencies, which marks a 21% increase compared to 2020. The agency's research shows that the overall understanding of decentralized technology is in decline. Only 71% of the surveyed participants have correctly defined cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, the perception of crypto investing as a gamble dropped down to 38% from 47%. The push for banning cryptocurrency mining in certain provinces in China led to adverse reactions in Bitcoin's hash rate. Data shows that the hash rate fell to the lowest point since November 2020. A rebound is only possible if the now banned miners relocate to other regions. As a reminder, a majority of China's Bitcoin mining hubs have issued bans in the past few months. The list of regions where mining is prohibited includes Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, and Shanghai. Two other provinces, Yunnan and Sichuan, are also in the process of discussing a potential crypto mining crackdown. DeFi liquidity protocol Kyber Network has announced that it will integrate the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon in an effort to enhance DeFi liquidity. The plan is part of Kyber's Rainmaker program, which is the project's future dynamic market maker protocol that features a unique liquidity mining program for both Polygon and Ethereum users. Kyber's program brings more than $30 million in rewards during a period of 3 months. Leading crypto exchange Coinbase revealed in an announcement that it had listed 3 new tokens, CHZ, Keep, and SOL. All tokens have risen in value promptly after the reveal, with Shiba increasing 31% in the span of a day. Coinbase's new listing policy is a stark contrast compared to what we have seen in previous years. The Shiba Inu meme token has been added only a month after the project's creation. Before that, Coinbase listed Dogecoin, which was not tradable on the exchange despite being one of the market's oldest altcoins. The revised policy came shortly after Coinbase's NASDAQ listing. Booking platform Travala.com, which is backed by Binance, revealed plans to launch a decentralized vacation rental service named dTravel. The platform closely resembles Airbnb in its design, with the main difference being that it's decentralized. dTravel is a community-run platform organized through a DAO in which homeowners and guests can share governance proposals and vote on key issues via the native travel token. The good news: a new report finds that 1 in 6 Australians owns cryptocurrency, marking a 12% improvement compared to the start of the year. An opposition politician in Panama wishes to follow El Salvador's suit by presenting a crypto bill for July. Crypto.com expands into institutional markets with a Fireblocks integration that enables them to deal with OTCs, liquidity providers, digital asset managers, and OTCs. The bad news: as the SEC's Bitcoin ETF decision from VanEck reached a deadline, the regulator decided to delay the decision by 45 days once again. Lending protocol Alchemix experienced an exploit this week, which resulted in 2,000 ETH being returned to borrowers prematurely. And economist Steve Hank commented on El Salvador's Bitcoin adoption, stating that it will cause the country's economy to collapse. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and click the red subscribe button to join our online crypto community. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter at Shrimpy App and on our blog at blog.shrimpy.io.